Hello everyone, welcome, namaskar, sat sri akal, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am the curator and the creator of this channel. So I want to thank all my subscribers and the people, those who haven't subscribed me yet, please click the subscribe button. So today I have brought another recipe for you all, and this is a snack time recipe. So before jumping onto the recipe, I hope all of you are doing well. How are you all? Please let me know in the comment box. So before going to the recipe, let us see what we need for this recipe. This recipe is very simple. You can have this recipe with your chai, or if for your evening snacks, for your morning to go breakfast, anything. Okay, so for this recipe we only need some biscuits, any biscuits that you have in your home. Okay, it can be a Britannia, it can be 50-50, it can be any salted biscuit or non-salted biscuit. Okay, now I have taken a salted. For a change, you can also add a sauce. Okay, this is nothing but this is a red chili sauce, tomato chili sauce. This is just a type of a red tomato chili sauce. You can use any tomato chili sauce. Okay, so let's see how to make this recipe. Just like the cream biscuit, we are going to add the cheese in between the two biscuits. So this biscuit is already salted one, so I will not add salt. If your biscuit is not the salted one, you can add a little bit of salt. Now I am going to add the sauce, just a pinch of it. So let's microwave it for 30 seconds. So I am enjoying my chai time with these cheesy biscuits. So let me know how you liked it in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.